All right, y'all. But you got it on the steak? All right, cool. So it's been 10 minutes, so we're gonna cut some of this fat off just to be able to cook this, okay? We're gonna keep part of the fat cap on, but we're gonna use part of the fat to cook it, okay? Look at this. So we basically use all of this, okay? Okay, ain't nothing wrong with that. See, that's just the fat we're gonna render down in the skillet over here. So we're gonna put this up to medium high, okay? So we're using a come a little closer, bro. We're using a stainless steel skillet. Gonna put it at medium high, okay? All right, let me show y'all what we're gonna season this with. Very simple seasoning. First off, let me get some butter. We will be basting the steak, right? You don't have to baste it with garlic or thyme or anything like that, because Wagyu pretty much has such a fine taste that you can zoom out a little bit, but come out a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Has such a refined taste that you don't have to have all those herbs and stuff on it. Okay. 1 minute. Right. So we got some more butter, and pretty much we're gonna render this fat down. That's gonna be our cooking mechanism to sear the steak. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna sear this side down. So this is like the fat cap, kind of. We're gonna sear this a bit for about maybe a minute, and then we'll flip it and cook it on its side, maybe about 3 minutes. Cook the other side for about 3 minutes, and then we'll let it rest, and then we'll put it back in. While it'll slow cook, it'll baste with the butter. So right now, this steak is at room temperature. You can see that is not like juice from the steak, guys. That is fat. That's oil. That just shows you how fatty this is. It's just glistening. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece of meat. Okay, so it doesn't melt, we're gonna stop touching it, and now we're gonna come over here, and we will render down this this fat. Okay. So we're just rendering down the fat. See this? Wagyu has so much fat in it that the best way to cook it is in its own fat. Let's turn it up a little bit more. Okay. So, and usually you can also do this by just having the Wagyu just cooking it on the flat, if it has, cooking it on the fat cap and then letting it render out this way. But cutting a piece of it is like a better way to get it evenly spread across the skillet, okay? And we ain't gotta worry about scratching it, so don't leave any random comment about scratching the damn skillet. It's a fucking, how you say it, back? It ain't stainless steel, it ain't non-stick.
Non-stick.
All right, Booker. So you see this now? See, guys, look at that. It made its own, like, okay, yep. So my wife's telling me cut the fan on, stupid. So cut the fan on so there don't be no what you call it. So you see, we're just rendering the fat down, you guys. This is how you make Wagyu for real. You buy an expensive steak, you gotta make it right. See all this oil? Look at that. That's just from this little piece. When the steak gets in there, it's going to be a whole different thing, okay? So that's rendering down. Now come over here and show you what we're going to season it with. Very simple. One, we're going to use finely ground pepper. Finely ground, okay? Not coarse pepper, usually, like I normally use. We're not going to use that. And then we're going to use some kosher salt. I ain't promoting Morton's, but just kosher salt. You know what it is now. Oh, well, Morton's kosher salt. And that's what we season it with. So we're just going to season the top first while that's rendering down. And kosher salt is pretty flaky. And now some people, when they season Wagyu, they don't put a whole lot of, they don't use a whole lot of seasoning. They usually just use salt and then that's it. I like pepper, so we're gonna do it both with this steak. Okay. Don't forget the size, okay? Don't forget to season the size. Very underrated step in seasoning a steak. Okay. Now, you ain't gotta put too much. We still want the flavor. Okay. Alright. So now Wagyu has the salt on it. Put a little bit on that side. Now we're gonna go pepper. And look, it's finely ground. The reason why it's finely ground is because the coarse pepper, I heard from a very distinguished chef, it will cause the crust that we're gonna get from it to not be as crusty, to not be as hard, because it won't adhere to the skillet that good. All right, so we got our pepper. And like I said, don't forget the size. Don't be a noob. Okay. So the fat is rendering in the skillet, and it's smoking hot. See, look at that. Look at that. When it's smoking like that, the Wagyu's ready to go in. Okay. So we're gonna take this out. We're gonna get all that going. Okay, remember that fat cap? We're gonna cook that. We're gonna render that down first. See that? We're gonna render that down first. So watch this. So do that for about 2 minutes. So I got it on high now, guys. That's why it's smoking. And then understand we're cooking this in its own fat. Okay. So we're crisping that fat cap first, and then we're gonna put it face down on the seasoning side. The steak is already melting. Okay. It's getting hot in here. Okay, guys, you see that? Very good, babe. Very good. Yeah, you're doing an excellent job. Okay, we got that seared. Now we're gonna flip it. Now she gotta go, y'all. So we just put that down like that. So put that down like that. And let that rock. Now we season the other side. So, cut.